guys, today we're working on equation of a circle. We will learn how to write an equation of a circle. So this is the standard form where H and K are the center. R is the radius. So this is the standard form for the equation of a circle. So now next time you see it, you're going to be able to identify it. So we're going to start with a couple examples. We have the center and we have the radius. So it can be that bad. So the center, like I said right here, H and K are the center. So this is H, this is K, and yes, R is 7. So here we go. X minus H is 5, squared plus, I'm following the formula right there. Y minus K is 2, squared equals R squared. 7 squared, 49. Done. There's nothing else to it. Now, number 2 is not that simple. And it's not too bad either. I still have H and K here. Now, the radius is 2 square root of 5. The formula calls for R squared. So I'm going to go ahead and find R squared. If I know R is 2 square root of 5, I need to square this. When I square this, I square this and I square this. So I have 2 squared times. When you square the square root, they simplify. So here I have 5. So 2 squared is 4 times 5 is 20. So at this point, I know R squared is 20. All right. If you don't want to do that, if you're lucky, you might end up with this pretty answer right here. So you can go 2 square root of 5 in the calculator, and then you square it. Calculator will do the work for you. Okay? All right. So now that I have R squared, I have H and K. Let's go ahead and write the equation of the circle. So X minus H is negative 3. Minus is from the formula. So 2 negatives make a positive. So squared right there, plus Y minus K is 4, squared equals R squared that I just found right here before we even started. So 20. Wahaha. All right. Now, I have a couple more to where I don't have the radius, but I do have another point though. And you know, from that point, I'm going to be able to find the radius. So the center is still H and K. That will never change. And then I'm going to use this point to find the radius. Okay, so I have the formula X minus H squared plus Y minus K. I'm just copying the formula from the very top so I have something to point. Equals R squared. All right. So H and K right there. And then the point that I have here is going to be X and Y. So substitute X, 5, minus H is 4. I'm going to do this right here off to the side. So H is 4, K, negative 7, X is 5, Y is 3. That way it's nice and neat, not everywhere. Okay, squared plus Y. Y is 3 because it tells me right there. Y is 3 minus K. K is negative 7. So plus 7 squared equals R squared. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 squared is 1. Plus 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 squared is 100. Equals R squared. 1 plus 100, 101. R squared. Okay, now I have everything I need. I have H, K, and R squared for me to write my equation of the circle. So H, X minus H is 4, squared plus Y minus K is negative 7. So plus 7 squared equals R squared, 101. Voila. That's the equation of the circle. One more. Now the last one, I have C as the origin, and I have the point. So H is 0, K is also 0, X is -5, Y is 2. So now that I have everything, I can go ahead and start working on finding R squared. So here we go. X is -5, minus H is 0, 0 squared, plus Y is 2, minus 0 squared is R squared. Okay. -5 minus 0 is -5. -5 squared, 25. 2 squared, 4. R squared, 25 and 4, 29. R squared. Okay. Now I have the origin, which is 0, 0. I have the radius squared, which is 29. I'm not going to write x minus 0. That looks ugly. It has to be fully simplified so it's nice and neat and cleaned up. So x squared, because it's at the origin, plus y squared equals 29, because it's the radius squared. All done.